Welcome! Today we're going to calculate the total heating coil load for a small building based on envelope losses, infiltration, and outdoor air ventilation. Here is the problem statement. Next, the envelope heating load is given as 65,000 BTU per hour. Then, the infiltration heating load is 18,000 BTU per hour. Now, we calculate the sensible ventilation load. The general formula for sensible ventilation load is Qvent equals 1.08 times the airflow in cubic feet per minute times the temperature difference in degrees Fahrenheit. Here, the airflow is 1,000 cubic feet per minute, and the temperature difference is 70 degrees Fahrenheit from 0 to 70. Multiplying these together gives 75,600 BTU per hour. To find the total heating coil load, we sum the envelope, infiltration, and ventilation loads. Substituting the numbers, we get 65,000 plus 18,000 plus 75,600, which equals 158,600 BTU per hour. Rounding to the nearest thousand gives 159,000 BTU per hour. Therefore, the correct choice is C, 159,000 BTU per hour. This result matches the NCEES Handbook, Section 8, on heating coil load,